The impact of music on our emotions is undeniable. Music has a profound ability to stir up various emotions within us, evoking feelings of happiness, sadness, excitement, or even nostalgia. In this clip, I will delve into the ways music affects our emotions, using simple words to explain this powerful connection. First and foremost, music has the power to uplift our spirits and make us feel joyful. Upbeat and lively tunes have a way of energizing us, making us tap our feet or even break into dance. The rhythmic beats and melodies of upbeat music stimulate our brain, releasing chemicals that create a sense of happiness and pleasure. Have you ever noticed how difficult it is to resist tapping your fingers or nodding your head when hearing a catchy tune? That is the power of music in action, livening up our moods and filling us with positive vibes. On the flip side, music can also tap into our deepest emotions and evoke feelings of sadness or melancholy. Slow, melodic tunes with heartfelt lyrics can strike a chord within us, resonating with our personal experiences and struggles. In these moments, music becomes an emotional outlet, allowing us to connect with our feelings and find solace in the lyrics and melodies. It is not uncommon to find ourselves shedding tears while listening to a poignant song that mirrors our emotional state or brings back memories of the past. Furthermore, music has the ability to evoke excitement and a sense of anticipation. Whether it is the powerful build-up of a symphony or the pumping beats of a club anthem, music can heighten our senses and make us feel invigorated. Think about how you feel when hearing the triumphant background score in a movie during an intense chase scene or a soaring guitar solo in a rock concert. The rush of energy and the feeling of being transported to another realm are all thanks to the impact of music on our emotions. Additionally, music has a remarkable way of triggering nostalgia. Have you noticed how a particular song can transport you back to a specific time and place, evoking memories and emotions associated with that period? Music has the ability to store memories deep within our minds, and with just a few chords or lyrics, it can unlock a flood of sentimental feelings. This is why certain songs from our past have the power to transport us back in time, eliciting a mix of bittersweet emotions that are uniquely tied to those moments. Moreover, music can also provide comfort and a sense of solace during difficult times. When we are feeling down or going through challenging situations, music can offer a form of escape and provide a much-needed emotional release. It can serve as a companion, understanding our feelings and offering a way to express what we may struggle to put into words. The empathetic nature of music allows us to find solace and feel understood, reminding us that we are not alone in our emotional journey. In conclusion, the impact of music on our emotions is profound. Whether it is lifting our spirits, evoking nostalgia, triggering excitement, or providing solace, music has an incredible ability to connect with and influence our emotions. It is a universal language that transcends cultural barriers and touches the deepest parts of our souls. We should embrace the power of music and allow ourselves to be moved by its captivating melodies and moving lyrics, as it can truly enrich our lives and bring us closer to our emotional selves.
Music has a profound impact on our emotions. It has the ability to evoke a wide range of feelings, from joy and excitement to sadness and nostalgia. The unique power of music lies in its ability to directly connect with our emotions, often bypassing rational thought and speaking directly to our hearts and souls. One of the ways music affects our emotions is through its ability to create a mood or atmosphere. Different styles and genres of music can evoke specific emotions and set the tone for a particular experience. For example, upbeat and energetic music can make us feel happy and motivated, while slow and melodic tunes can evoke a sense of calm and relaxation. Music also has the power to trigger memories and emotions associated with specific moments in our lives. Hearing a song from our past can transport us back to a particular time and place, evoking a flood of emotions and memories. This connection between music and memory can be incredibly powerful, as it allows us to relive and experience emotions from the past. Furthermore, music can serve as a form of emotional expression and release. It provides a safe and healthy outlet for our emotions, allowing us to connect with and process our feelings. Whether we are feeling sad, angry, or joyful, music can provide a means of catharsis and emotional release. It allows us to feel understood and validated, as we find resonance with the emotions expressed in the lyrics and melodies. In addition to its immediate impact on our emotions, music can also have long-term effects on our mental and emotional well-being. Studies have shown that listening to music can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It has the power to uplift our spirits, boost our mood, and provide a sense of comfort and solace during difficult times. Music therapy is a recognized practice that utilizes music to improve mental health and overall well-being. Moreover, music has the ability to foster a sense of connection and belonging. It serves as a universal language that transcends cultural and language barriers, bringing people together and creating a shared emotional experience. Concerts and music festivals often create a sense of unity and camaraderie among attendees, as they collectively experience the power and beauty of music. The impact of music on our emotions is not limited to passive listening. Playing an instrument or singing can also have a significant effect on our emotional well-being. Creating music allows us to express ourselves, tap into our creativity, and experience a sense of accomplishment. Playing an instrument or singing can be a therapeutic and empowering activity that boosts our self-confidence and provides an emotional outlet. In conclusion, music has a profound impact on our emotions. It has the ability to create moods, trigger memories, and serve as a form of emotional expression and release. Music can uplift our spirits, reduce stress, and foster a sense of connection and belonging. Whether we are passive listeners or active participants, music has the power to touch our hearts and souls, providing comfort, joy, and a means of emotional connection.